Hey everyone, you're watching HBS Views Info for English Learning. Before we begin today's lesson, imagine this. Your car moves 16 meters while you look at your phone for just 1 second. Scary, right? In today's conversation, a father explains this truth to his son in a way you will never forget. Let's learn English and learn safety too. In a world where notifications never stop buzzing, one of the most dangerous habits has quietly entered our roads, using mobile phones while driving. Today, we listen to a simple but powerful conversation between a father and his teenage son. A conversation that could save a life. Arun and Karan have just finished shopping. Before starting the car, Karan checks his phone. Arun watches quietly, then decides it's the right moment to teach an important lesson.
Dad, my friend says he's an expert at driving and checking his phone at the same time. He calls it professional multitasking. Is it really that risky?
Karan, driving while using a phone isn't multitasking. It's like playing with your life on silent mode. Studies show it's as dangerous as driving drunk.
Seriously? But Dad, if I just glance at a message for 1 second, what could possibly happen?
A lot more than you think. When a car moves at 60 kilometers per hour, it covers 16 meters in 1 second. That's the length of a bus. Now imagine you are looking at your phone while the car moves that distance, without your eyes on the road. What if a kid is crossing? What if a dog runs in? What if the car in front stops suddenly?
I never thought about it like that. 16 meters is huge. But what about hands-free calls? That's safe, right?
Your hands may be free, but your mind isn't. Your eyes might be on the road, but your attention is split. A distracted mind is just as dangerous as distracted eyes. Even responsible drivers avoid calls when driving.
So if something is urgent, I should pull over first?
Exactly. Exactly. No message, no call, no notification is more important than a human life. One small delay is better than a lifetime of regret.
You're right, Dad. From now on, no mobile while driving, not even for a second.
Good. Remember, being a smart driver doesn't mean driving fast. It means driving safe.